don't look like Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar looks like me because I went up to him 1 year ago. तो बोला सर can you say some dialogue? बोला what? बोला एक dialogue बोला I love plane. I said I love plane.
Hi guys, how are you? So I'm Vijay from Ride with VJ.
Hi.
And I really feel very wonderful meeting you guys from C3 Group Mumbai, and you were riding all through the Mumbai, right? So can I know like how was your riding experience?
It was great. Riding is definitely, it opens our heart and it opens our mind. And when you ride, you actually get to explore that nature has no limits and it has no bondings, and it's a free spirit when we ride, you know. So what makes us here is we get to meet a lot of people with different cultures and different lovely people around here. It's like a festival here. During October we have Diwali, during December we have Christmas and New Year. In between that we have Royal Enfield.
Rider Mania!
Rider Mania, yes.
Yeah.
This is our 4th year that we have been coming here. Our group leader, Mr. Vinod Rawat.
I would call him Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. Exactly, you see him.
I love plane.
Out in the Red Bee Himalaya, which is one of the rarest breed, and not every, even not an able-bodied person dares to do that. But if you see, he managed to do it with an artificial limb, and that not just participation, but he also won an award in it. He's a great source of inspiration, and because of him, we have been able to explore more into the riding community.
You know, whenever you talk about Mr. Sachin, Mr. Vinod, I feel like all my hair is going up.
It happened.
It just goes bump.
Happened when I had met him for the first time.
No, still I can feel it. You can't see it, but inside my heart, all my body. Really great, sir. Sir, respect, sir, for you. So, can you share any of your ride experience?
More than me, I just would like to thank my heroes like Hussein Shukla, Dinesh Shukla ji, Double MQT, riding all the way from Domboli.
Hey, that doesn't matter.
I have Rishi Chimpi,
Ballad rap.
He's riding all the way from Jalgaon. He's the president of Jalgaon Convoy Club. And here Kumar Pisar, challenging rider, YouTuber,
Leh Ladakh.
and just
Leh
been a
Ladakh.
solo
rider.
rider. He's the president of Convoy Control Club Satara. Yes, it comes to me now again. I got these heroes. I'm so proud that they are not only challenger, but they are challenging guys. Okay, we are not here to show up with people that what we can do, but we are here to convey a message saying, if we can do, why not you?
Definitely, sir. That's a great message.
Your problem should not be hurdle for your life. Come on.
Don't stop yourself.
Yes.
You can do everything. You just have to give out that willpower so that you can do all wonderful things just like this C3 guys. Hip hip hooray!
And thank you. Once more, Ride with VJ channel. You subscribe, guys, and like it and share it, please. Thank you.
Bye bye guys. Enjoy. I need to do a salute for you. Rowdy salute.